Hi guys, Chris from Car Sound Security. So we've got a Lexus NX300h here today. This is a stolen recovered car, so the customer had their car stolen. Now what we've installed on here today is the StarLine M66 V2. Now what this does, it gives you tracking, immobilization and phone call notification. So what I mean by the phone call notification, if anyone attempts to steal the car, okay, while the immobilizer is active, number one, the car won't start, and it will call you to let you know that someone is attempting to start the vehicle. All right. Now, the way it works is obviously when you get into the vehicle, you can see the keys there. So it's in the car. The blue light's on. You see it flashing there. Now the vehicle will not start. Okay. So you can see, can't turn it. Doesn't say ready. Okay. Now, try it again. See my foot's on the brake there. Still nothing. Can't start the vehicle. Okay, it doesn't say ready. Now, to enable to start this vehicle, the blue light has to be off. So what happens, you get a StarLine fob. Okay, so what you do, just simple, push the button. Okay, the blue light now goes off. This will now allow you to start your vehicle. Okay, now, there you go. You can see it says ready there now. And that is now ready to drive. When you switch the vehicle off, okay, so when the vehicle is off, after 5 minutes, the blue light will automatically start flashing. Now, if you wanted the blue light to come on prior to that, so what you do, just push the button on the fob and the blue light starts flashing. Once the blue light is flashing, the vehicle does not start at all, okay? All right, so just bear that in mind. Blue light off, the car's okay to drive. Blue light on, the vehicle doesn't start. You see blue light's off now, and it says ready there. All right guys, so if you want any security on your Lexus, your Toyota, BMWs, Mercedes, whatever it might be, give us a call on 0208 554 5554. Thanks for watching guys.